Power Obligation was Kyle and gentlemen. Okay. Kyle, going over the book kanina, no? Sinilip ko rin yun, ang daming magaganda. But what struck me was you're very much into the networking business before.
Yes.
No? Something that more or less have not caught my fancy for the longest time, no? Kasi, ano ko dyan, hindi ko maintindihan yung sistema na yan, pare ko, and ano. So, can you just put me in the ano na talaga itong business concept na ito, pare?
Okay, so professionally speaking, the network is a system. In the first place, if it's a system, it doesn't think, it doesn't make the decision.
So, just follows itself.
Yes. So, maraming misconception. One is, sige, sabihin natin, may mga scams. Okay. So, when you say scam, hindi lang talaga siya naman sa network na experience eh. Even in traditional business. So, to educate the public, kung may mga illegal na traditional business, it means the business has nothing to do with it. It is the person who's doing the business. It's always wrong. Okay. So, same with the network system. Pwede mong gamitin yung sistema niya to take advantage of people, or pwede mong gamitin yung sistema niya to help people. Now, why am I saying helping people is wrong? Okay. Ang na-overlook mismo ng mga tao is they should go for the education process. So, it's a traditional way to a non-traditional approach ng education business process. So, kung ang magiging objective mo is to participate because you want to avoid trial and error process, okay?
Which mostly happens in a lot of network.
Yes. No, not just on the network marketing business, but also in setting up your first business going straight to traditional business. So here's the point, okay? To cite an illustration, imagine you worked so hard for many years, okay? You believe that once you have the money, you start your business, really? So it's like driving for the first time and driving headed to the freeway. What will happen to you?
So entirely new for you.
Yes. So sinasabi ko, yes. So sinasabi ko sa mga tao, huwag mong pag-practicean yung pinaghirapan mong pera for many years just because you have a preference of your business. So ina-advise ko ang public na for you to really learn, okay, the skills behind business, the best way to start with is through the distribution channel. Okay. Not for the profit. Okay, look at this. Okay. Kung ang objective pala is to acquire the skills, the 8 winning skills, what I keep on telling people. 8 winning skills. Okay, meron ka. You cannot bargain with it, as I said. Okay, so balik tayo ngayon. Kahit may pera ka, kahit ang itatayo mo pang negosyo, anong gusto mo? But if you don't have the skills, what will happen to your money? What will happen to the business that you want to set up? So, yeah. So, the reason why I'm opening the mind of people, if you really have plans of getting into business, the best way is to do the practice through distribution channels.
I have to invite them outside and the rest of the guys there to again upcoming and I'll give you the phone.
Okay, sa lahat po ng nanonood sa magandang program ni Mr. Jojo A. Sa TV5, iniimbitahan ko po kayong lahat na pumunta sa March 16 at Great Eastern Hotel, 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. That is, we have a dinner concept. Also, we have a business symposium. So, malalaman po nila yung wala na po tayong, marami pa po tayong sana pag-usapan doon po. Pwede natin pag-usapan doon about the business.
Yung eight market or whatever the 8 steps.
Skill.
For you to be a winner for personal and finances mo. Diba?
Yes.
Okay, so parting short time over.
Okay, pero ko na lang. Yun po, syempre maraming nagtatanong ano ba yung laman niyan at paano naman po yung mga gustong malaman through seminars. So we have scheduled seminars. It will be announced soon after the event. Yeah, so we'll be roaming around hopefully through universities, yeah, private companies, yun po yung goal po natin. It will be given for free, pero yung iba na gusto mag-acquire ng group yung power notification, at least matatanong nila mismo yung author po natin.
Oh, good. Ano, no? Lahat ng mga queries nila.
Lahat po, lahat ng
So
query.
where can they get the book?
Actually, it's available through Central Books, and they have branches nationwide for those who want to avail.
Oh, good. How about any website, Facebook, about this book on Facebook?
Okay, kung gusto nyo, about the book, pwede po kayong tumawag sa 0921-592-6670. Tsaka sa, or either 0928-231-9777. We can also give you our landline once po na-text po kami para pag-usap namin kayo at ma-assist namin yung mga concerns po ninyo.
Thank you, Sal. Any more things you'd like to share before we go?
Siyempre.